Breeze is the easy way to provide your clients with disability or critical illness insurance. The process is entirely online, and there's zero case management on your end. Your clients can get quoted for either product in 30 seconds and apply in just 10 minutes. Upon partnering with Breeze, you'll receive an email from us with quick instructions to set up your custom Breeze agent portal. Once signed up, the Breeze agent portal will be your central hub for all of your disability and critical illness insurance sales that go through Breeze. For each of your clients, you'll be able to track their process here. You can search for specific cases based on client name, email, or policy number. You can also filter your cases based on the date range, product type, and application status. And if you ever need help, Breeze is always a phone call or email away. So, let's say you have a client interested in a disability or critical illness insurance quote. From the Breeze agent portal, you can run the quote for them by clicking Start New Quote. You'll need your client's basic information, like date of birth and annual income, and from there, the quote will quickly be generated. From here, you can email the quote to your client, who can then go ahead and fill out the rest of the application. Or you can go ahead and fill out the application for your client. Either way, you will be attributed as the agent. And throughout the application process, you can pick up where your client has left off and vice versa. It's also worth noting that when you partner with Breeze, you'll receive a custom URL and landing page that you can share with clients who are interested in completing the entire process by themselves. As long as your clients start their quote and application via your custom URL and landing page, you'll still be attributed as the agent. You'll still be able to track their progress via the Breeze agent portal, and your client will still be able to hand off the application to you in the middle of the process if they need help.